All right, happy Vlogmas, everyone. This is Rocky, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, this is where we normally talk about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago, and just a little bit of beauty. I am going to be participating in Vlogmas this year, which means I am going to vlog every single day in December up until Christmas. And you get to see me and all of my wonderful adventures every single day. We're going to be talking a lot about beauty because I will be opening up an advent calendar, which is from The Body Shop. And every day there'll be something beauty related that we talk about. In addition to that, if there is something special happening that day or a special story I want to share, we'll also be doing that during the vlogs every single day. Some days the vlogs will just be the advent calendar that I'm sharing. Other days it'll have the stories that I'm talking about. So let's get right into it. Hey there, it is day 7. We are marching through this like it's easy. So we're gonna go ahead and open one more thing from our advent calendar. Let's get into this. You know, I like to show this with you. Some days are easier than others to find what's in this calendar, but let's dig in. It's not at the top. Let's go into one of these drawers. Again, we're looking for day 7. Come on, make it easy. It's not in the second drawer. Bingo, it's in the third drawer. Let's get this out. Okay, this one's cute. It says, did you know that for centuries African women used shea butter to protect their hair from the dry Harmattan winds that blow from the Sahara Desert? That's because shea butter contains so many powerful moisturizing properties for your beautiful body. Let's open this up. All bets say that this is a shea butter product. Ooh, cool. This says that this is a shower cream. It's shea, nutty and creamy, and this is for dry skin. I'll have to look at the ingredients. This says that it is 91% ingredients of natural origin. I'll look at the ingredients and see if this is something that I can use to shower with, because we have talked before. I have to use fairly natural things, and 91% natural is pretty close, but I have to use fairly natural things without like fragrances and stuff for my body. So I'll have to check on this one, but otherwise this is going to end up in the giveaway to you. So that's all we have today for today's vlog. Make sure you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog, but the only way you'll know if I posted something if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come back tomorrow, I'll have something special for you, and I'm also doing giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. Bye!